on chat whenever.
Just say we are live, or just tell me in my ear. Anything is okay.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, team, I'm starting the webinar. We are live.
Hey everyone, so we are live and good evening to all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in the next hour, you will know what to expect from ZEE5 in the month of March. Like we do this every month. They've given such amazing content, especially during the lockdown. I'm personally grateful to them because we could just sit and watch such amazing content. So now let's welcome everyone to Next Up on ZEE5. This is to announce all the content, all the exciting content in the month of March. For the past few months, we have seen content like which people enjoyed in 190 countries. People enjoyed in on television on the Zee network. Also, I just want to welcome fans on YouTube, Facebook. Send the love. Send some comments, send some questions. The artists will be with us of whatever show or movie we are talking about. I'll pass on your questions to them if they are questions related to the show, and we'll try and get you all the answers. What all did we enjoy? We enjoyed off late. Last month, we enjoyed Nail Polish. We enjoyed Kaagaz, Jeet Ki Zid. You remember we spoke to Amit Sir about Jeet Ki Zid, so passionately talking about it. And, that's the content that, we all need. And that's the content that makes India so proud that we are making this content right here in India on ZEE5. So hope you're excited to know what to expect in the month of March. For that, we will have Manish Kalra. He will appear on your screens right now. He's the Chief Business Officer of ZEE5 India. Manish, good to see you. Thank you so much for taking our time for this.
Thank you so much, Rohit, for doing this with us. And I want to kind of first and foremost thank our viewers, our users. Like you said, they've rewarded us with all the great content our team has been producing. And we've seen a lot of growth and excitement about Jeet Ke Zid or Kaagaz or Nail Polish, some of the shows we launched over the last 2 months. So it's been a fun ride. And March is something which we are all looking forward to and are excited about. Primarily because it's a month of the ladies. It's a Women's Day month, and our theme also is all around breaking the barriers. We realize every day there are so many smart young women in our country from India across the world breaking the barriers. There was this recently we saw the lady at NASA which landed the Mars rover was in India. So all the barriers are getting broken, and strong women are kind of coming out in characters, and that's something which we appreciate and love. Our library, if you guys go and see on our platform, has some of the movies like English for English, Kahani, Sant Ki Aankh, Kali. Some of them are epitome of strong women characters. And today we'll also see a show getting launched, Rohit and everyone, on 8th of March, which will be about women breaking barriers. It's called The Married Women. And yeah, nice to see the calendar here. So Married Women is coming our way on 8th of March, and it's all about strong characters, Riddhi and Monica Dogra. I think they'll be here with us in the event as well, talking about this show. Then we're getting a remake or a kind of a follow-up to the story of Kabul Hai, which was one of our marquee shows on Zee TV. There's a lot of exciting content that has been brought into Kabul Hai 2.0, and Surbhi and Karan Singh Grover are part of it, so you'll see them in this show. I'm super excited about Silence, everyone. Silence, can you hear it? That's an original movie we're launching with Manoj Bajpayee, Prachi Desai, and Arjun. I think I just love the content. You guys will see it. When you see it, you'll find it exciting as well. It's all about a suspense thriller and a lot of silence around it. So I won't give in much there, but one of the most exciting content that we're coming up with in March. Also, I think more than the premium content, which is there on the left, we are super excited about our free shows, the TV shows that we kind of thrive on. And there's a sequel coming to Agabai, which is one of the biggest Marathi shows called Agabai Sunbai, that's coming in. Then there's a Pahle Naam Hai Tula, that's another big show. There's a Marathi show which is coming in, which I kind of spoke about just now, Mauka-e Wardaat. Also, there's a Punjabi show which I wanted to specially mention, which is from Parmeet Sethi, and that team is also going to be here. So there are almost 7 shows which are lined up. Sorry, seven language shows which are lined up in this month. And like I said, we're super excited to be here. I want to also thank our viewers, along with them, the entertainment industry, people from the artist community, from writing community who have supported us and given us this opportunity to take their stories to our viewers. So that's kind of super rewarding for all of us. At the same time, because this is our 3rd anniversary, I don't know how many of you are aware, we just turned 3. So we are coming up with a lot of sequels of some of those flagship shows, right from Abhay to Rangabaz to Final Call, some of those shows which you have loved as an audience. And that's what we'll bring back on ZEE5 as we progress through the year. So like I said, super excited. I think some of the artists are here. From Silence, we do have Manoj and Prachi here, and from Married Women, we have Riddhi and Monica here. So over to all the exciting stuff you have in store for us, Rohit.
Firstly, congratulations for the 3 years. How did these 3 years go by?
Oh, it's been an exciting journey. It's been a fun ride. Like I said, most of our stories, and when we look at ZEE5, Rohit and everyone, we pride ourselves coming from the roots of the country. We pride ourselves in understanding Indian stories and Indians and telling stories in a way that they love and they like. And that's what we've done with some of the recent shows, like I mentioned, Jeet Ki Zid, which is a real life story, Kagaz, which is another real life story, Nail Polish, which is a thriller which is set in the grassroots of the country. And we'll keep bringing some of those entertaining real life stories to Indians, told in a way which is really Indian and told by Indians who love and understand the insights from real viewers. So super excited to achieve what we have achieved with everyone's help.
Thank you so much for coming in. And this calendar looks very exciting. And I don't know how you all managed to do this month after month, but from all of us who are watching this, and I'm who's hosting it, Manish, thank you for doing this, because you are actually entertaining all of us at a time where we need entertainment.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Rohit.
Great. So now let's move on and let's straight jump into the Married Women. Let's first start with the trailer and let's come back and we'll be joined by the cast. So let's see what to expect.
11 साल कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं, पार्टी।
शादियों की लाइफ स्पैन का माप भी इससे लिया जा सकता है। पहले 2 साल जाते हैं रोमांस में, फिर 5 साल बच्चों को बड़ा करने में,
और फिर 50 साल निकल जाते हैं रोल प्ले में।
कुछ नया करें।
क्या?
बातें। प्लेइंग हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ।
दिल धड़कता है मेरा सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए, मैं जीऊं या मरूं।
यार ये स्क्रिप्ट किसने लिखी है यार?
एक्सक्यूज मी।
एजाज।
हिंदी अडेप्टेशन रोमियो एंड जूलियट। यस।
ये इश्क की जुबान है यार, रूह तक नहीं पहुंचे ना तो बेकार है।
This is somebody you know? Just a figment of my imagination.
टिपचिक, आपके ऊपर तो मैं किडनैप का केस करवाऊंगा।
2 consenting adults
जो चाहे वो कर सकते हैं।
क्यों आस्था?
पिपली का खान ऐसी औरतें ना हमारी सोसाइटी बर्बाद कर देती है।
आप लोग ओवर रिएक्ट कर रहे हो।
तो तुम चुप करो।
ऐसा लगता है इस पेंटिंग में मैं हूँ। जरूरत नहीं है। किसकी? परफ्यूम की। Listen, I think आप बाउंड्रीज क्रॉस कर रहे हैं।
जब तक आप बाउंड्री क्रॉस ना करो तब तक पता कैसे चलेगा कि बाउंड्री है कहाँ?
नेकलेस ही तो था।
पापा का लास्ट गिफ्ट था मेरे लिए हेमंत, नहीं समझोगे मुझे। मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा, कुछ नहीं बोला और तुम समझ गई। कैसे?
घर खाली बार खाली,
रूह से मोहब्बत करती हूँ, जेंडर से नहीं।
दिन के सवालों पे रातों का जवाब जो बचा के रख।
पहली बार किसी ने मुझे महसूस किया, मुझे खुद से मिलाया।
कल के इमारतों
I think I love you.
वो औरत है आस्था, कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है तुम दोनों का।
चाहे वो रोमियो हो, रांझा हो या मजनू, दो लोग मिलते हैं, गुलिस्तान सजाते हैं और उनके आसपास की दुनिया उन्हें समझ नहीं पाती।
You should watch your step, Mrs. कपूर। सब छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, तुम भी चली जाओगी।
ये कहानी जो है ना, वो हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर पे नहीं एंड होती, वहां से शुरू होती है। रोमियो और जूलियट की जो लड़ाई है ना, वो इंडिविजुअलिटी वर्सेस कंडीशनिंग की है। वो पूरी दुनिया और उसकी घिनौनी सोच के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं।
Premieres on 8th March, and now let's get the women of the married women. Let's welcome Riddhi Dogra, Monica Dogra. If they're here, we'll have them on our screen. And okay, first, Monica is here. I'm told Monica will be here. We'll discuss with Monica. Hi, Monica. Good to see you.
Hey, good to see you too.
We just watched the trailer and everybody did. Such powerful, impactful lines. You both look lovely. And this is just exceptional content and we can't ask for anything more. So firstly, congratulations. This looks really, really good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, what can you tell us at this point when we have just seen the trailer? There's an audience watching live on social media, on YouTube and everywhere. What do you want to tell people? Something more than what we saw?
I can say that I just saw the first 3 episodes and I was, I tend to be pretty self-critical. And despite that intense self-criticism, the show is really good. It's really good. It's really moving. It's super beautiful. I give hats off to Riddhi. She's phenomenal in the show. She's really amazing. Suhas blew my mind. Sahir Raza is just, he's so great. He's such an incredible director. But in terms of the story, I have never seen a show like this one. So it's my deep wish, and I faithfully think that people will respond to the universality of what it means to be someone that experiences a world that doesn't make space for our truth. Right, I don't think that's exclusive to one kind of person. I think that's everyone experiences that to a certain degree, like the war between the person you truly are and the person you feel like you have to be for the world.
Right, we get a fair bit of understanding from the trailer. We'll also discuss Riddhi's character, but first, we'll dig into your character. What is she all about? Y'all are both very different from each other from what we see in the trailer. First, you tell us about your character.
You mean Asta and Piplika are very different. Asta is played by Riddhi and Piplika is played by me.
Yes.
Yeah. But Piplika and Monica have a lot in common. A lot. Piplika is
like what,
artist.
if you may tell us?
Yeah, she's an artist. She's an activist.
Okay.
She exists in the in-betweens. She comes from a difficult family background. She often acts from her heart and not her head. She doesn't use her head that much. She doesn't think things through. She just goes, she's a bit of a mufat. But she's really real. Even if that gets her in trouble. She fights for what she believes in. as if there are no consequences for that fight. And where I'd say I'm different from Piplika is I'm not nearly as, I don't have nearly as much courage or self-belief, which makes me admire Piplika a lot. But yeah, the character is incredibly dynamic. She was really hard to play, but really, really fun, really fun.
It's great, these times when people write such strong characters for women and such diverse characters, say just two of you all, when you read the character sketch of both of you, they're different and they're so strong in their own way, both of them. So, if you could give us, I know Riddhi's not here, if you could give us an idea of her character.
Sure, yeah. Asta is kind of, at face value, she's a housewife, she's a professor, she's extremely smart, and she was groomed, she was groomed to kind of fit the roles that were bestowed upon her. So being a good wife, a good daughter-in-law, a good mother, just being good is how she operates in the world. Like, these are the confines, these are the ways that you can be a good woman. And then, but at the same time, she has a heart that's always seeking. She reads poetry. She ends up falling in love. And we do crazy things for love.
Right, absolutely. And we saw the trailer, so can't wait to watch the full thing. And you are lucky you saw 3 episodes. Very, very jealous. So I'll be watching that as well. Also, are these exciting times for actors like yourself? Say ZEE5, something like that drops and it reaches 190 countries. Does that excite you? Do you get feedback from different places?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it excites me because I think with such platforms, there's so much more creative freedom and such a wide reach worldwide. So when you have creative freedom, you can make more honest art. And when you can make more honest art, I think for me, and I've been saying this in all my interviews, art has the capacity to change the world. And that's our responsibility, is to contribute to people opening their minds to creating safer spaces, a safer world. And I hope that in some small way, this show does that.
Right. And, this also starts a very interesting conversation, a much needed conversation, I would say, around the LGBT community, and especially from a married woman's point of view. How do you think, our audience is at a point where they accept this content, they enjoy this content, or what do you hear from your friends and, people from the industry you talk to?
I think it's high time that we stop underestimating our audiences and underestimating people and making content with this thought that only a certain kind of storytelling or a certain kind of show sells, because we have so many examples now of things that really are smart and nuanced and complex storytelling. Those shows that have gone on to win awards and to represent India on global platforms. So yes, I do think audiences are ready, and I'm really excited.
I can see that. Monica, what when you say yes to a show like that, what was in for you, and what was the point where you said, "Okay, I'm doing this"? What did you read? What did you hear?
Just the story. That's why I said yes. I just heard the story. I read the script. The script was amazing. It wasn't one of those things where it was like, this is fixed. Anytime I had an issue or a thought about my character's graph, or even something that was happening in a scene, I was included, I was heard. The director did that from the gate. The producer did that out of the gate. And the writers were whip smart. I think Ekta's phenomenal. Everything just kind of lined up, and I was like, this feels like divine. This feels like it's divinely guided. I have to do this. Clearly, I have to do this. Yeah.
Great. And I can't ask you more because you already watched 3 episodes, and I'm sure you as much as I try, you won't give anything away. Do you want to, before we wrap this, do you want to tell the audience, to watch this, and what is in for them, and is it something that they've not seen? What do you think is the biggest selling point of this one?
You know, when you watch something and something in you moves and shakes, and somehow you start seeing things differently. This show does that. You know, watch it. You'll know. Just give it 5 minutes, and it'll keep you coming back. That's honestly the only thing I can offer. I don't want to be like, oh my God, what, you know, what's amazing is when something's good, it sells itself. And that's what I hope happens. Yeah.
Fantastic. And you know, since you watched it, can you tell people how many episodes are there, and you know, when does this drop? Let's listen from you, so that, you know, if I say they won't watch it, but if you say they will.
The series drops on Women's Day, the 8th of March, very poetically placed. It's an 11 episode series, and that's my favorite number. I have 1111 tattooed on my wrist. And stay tuned. Let us know what you think. We're very, very excited.
Great, all the very best. Looks amazing, and you know, so hope this does very well for you, and this does reach 190 countries. So, do you get feedback from different places, Monica? Do you hear from your friends all over the world?
Yeah, everyone's like, how do we get a subscription? So I'm trying to figure that out. I'm like, oh, a lot of people will be getting VPNs to different countries, so we'll see.
Great. The subscription is damn simple. Just download ZEE5, have an account, and just start watching this amazing content. Monica, take care of yourself, and thank you for being a part of such amazing content that we would love to watch. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit. Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Great. That was Monica Dogra talking about The Married Women, and you saw the trailer. Exceptional, as Manish earlier said, breaking barriers, and that's what they're trying to do. And now, if I just stay silent, this will be a tease for the next, the next set of guests, and we will stay silent because the next one is called Silence. You can hear it. If you can hear a bit of a celebration, that's because this is the calendar launch, and there's enough for people to celebrate all over. So let's get to the poster first, and then let's start talking. So that was the poster, and you saw Manoj Bajpayee on the poster. Silence. Can you hear it? So let's see who all are there and who all will join us. Prachi Desai is in it. She won't be here as of today, but we will hear from her very soon. Follow her on social media. Manoj Bajpayee will be here. Arjun Mathur will be here. Manoj Bajpayee plays a cop in this. I won't say much. Let him come and say. We will have the poster once again, till we have the guest, because I'm told Arjun will join very soon. And once Arjun joins, we will start talking. Manoj Bajpayee is ACP Avinash Verma in this one. I like when Manoj Bajpayee plays such roles. He is such a seasoned actor. We saw him in such different avatars during the lockdown. So very happy to have him doing this on ZEE5. You saw the poster. ACP Ho To Aisa. Can we have the poster once more till we have the guests, and then we will start talking to the guests from the show who will join us. And I'm told Arjun Mathur will join us, and in some time Manoj Bajpayee will also join us in 5 minutes. Manoj Bajpayee did talk about this. I will tell you what he said. जिस दिन साइलेंस विराम होगा उस दिन ACP अविनाश वर्मा की आवाज गूंजेगी. वो दिन है 26 March when Silence, Can You Hear It, premieres on ZEE5. This is said by none other than Manoj Bajpayee. So so he also spoke about the poster which you just saw, and if I'm going to try to have the poster on screen, because so that you all know what we're going to talk about next. This drops on ZEE5 on 26 March 2021. ACP Avinash Verma. I really wish I could tell you a lot more, but it won't be fair. The actors should come and talk about it. Okay, let me, since the actors are not here yet, I can, and you're listening to me and you have to listen to me because you're waiting for the actors. I will tell you. This film traces the story of a mysterious disappearance of a woman. Itna bata diya kafi hai. And that's where ACP comes in, and Prachi Desai is in it. What does Arjun Mathur play? I'm told a very, very important role. Won't be fair for me to say what he plays because he's coming, and I really like Arjun Mathur. Again, you know, what a talented actor. So we'll have two super talented actors right here, Manoj Bajpayee, and we were hoping we have Prachi Desai. Let's see, but we'll hear it from Arjun Mathur and Manoj Bajpayee. So if we can have the poster on the screen, that will be great so that people can see the poster. Yes, so we'll have this poster. I will talk to you guys, but we'll have this poster on the screen so that you know what to expect from the next Q&A. And this is Manoj Bajpayee. Let's see what the poster says. Manoj Bajpayee as ACP Avinash Verma. A Z original film, Silence, Can You Hear It? Of course, produced by Z Studios. This premieres on Z5 on 26th March. Z5 Premium. We were talking about Monica, and you know that's she was talking about her series and how this reaches so many countries. So the thing is, and she was saying a lot of her friends ask how to watch this. Very simple. Download Z5 and download Z5 and subscribe to it and start watching, because this is not the only thing there. There's just amazing content. Manish was here talking about it, and we were also talking about what dropped last month, something that we all enjoyed. You know, and also this is a platform that's got you your favorite actors. Arjun Rampal, Pankaj Tripathi, Richa Chadda, Amit Sat. We've had all of them here talking about, you know, their amazing content on Z5. So I will just check if we have Arjun Mathur here, and this also stars Sahil Ved and Shirish Sharma, Karima Yagnit, Amit Thakkar. They all star in it, but you just have to wait for that till 26th March 2021. The poster has ACP Avinash Verma, and it clearly says drops on 26th March. We're just waiting. Bear with me and stay here, because it's not every day that you have Arjun Mathur and talented actors like Arjun Mathur and Manoj Bajpayee. So just hang in there, and we will get them right here. Monica was talking about something very interesting. You know, what she said was very interesting. From what all she said, this was interesting, that she said, it's about time that we don't underestimate our audiences. Okay, so I'm told we move on to the next one. Let's see if we can do that and come back to this. I promise you we'll come back. We move on to some very interesting Punjabi content. So we are moving on to that, and we'll be joined by Parmeet Sethi, Kitika Singh for Akhia Udik Diya. This also drops on Z5. So first, let's see the trailer. And yeah. So you saw the trailer, how wonderful, and you know, such beautiful moments that they share in this. Let me give you a brief about this. You know, this is a Punjabi remake of a very, very popular Marathi show, Tula Pahatre, which was so popular that it aired on Z Marathi first in obviously 2019. This was then adapted in various languages on Z, Z Tamil, Z Telugu, Z Kannada, and now this is being done in Punjabi. You saw the trailer. I really enjoyed if there's a spark when there are two people, you can just see it, and that's what I observed from that there was a spark. So I'll be joined by Mr. Parmeet Sethi and Kitika Singh, who are in this in Akhia Udik Diya. Let's wait for them, because I know you've already seen the trailer 3 times, and we will wait for them because in fact, I would like to hear from them what they have to say, because if something is tried and tested is in one language and then various other languages, does that mean, because India is such a diverse country, does that mean that it will be accepted, appreciated, and loved in another language in another region? That's always the challenge. A story is a story, and it's, if it's a beautiful story, you can make it in various languages, but it is a challenge, something that worked in Marathi. It takes courage to make it and adapt it in a way that one would accept it in a completely different market. So let's see, but we'll have we'll have Mr. Parmeet Sethi talk about it. He's such an experienced actor and such a seasoned actor. He's done enough work to tell us and to give us an idea of what he thinks this will do for him and for, okay, I'm told Arjun Mathur is here. So we're going to go back to what we were discussing earlier. Hi, Arjun.
Hi, Rohit. How are you?
Very well. Good to see you. Traveling somewhere?
I am actually on my way to set. I'm shooting in Delhi.
Okay. Amazing. Manoj Rajpal is also here. Arjun Mathur is also here. What timing is this? Great.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Arjun. Oh, you are in the car.
जी, मैं आज ऐसे चल रहा है.
That's so good. This is Chai. You are somewhere and he's in the car. The best part is we can still talk about it together on the car.
Oh.
मनोज जी, हमने पोस्टर देखा. You are in it as a cop. क्या बताना चाहेंगे? Because ना teaser देखा है हमने, ना trailer देखा है. You are someone who can give us some more idea of what to expect.
Okay, it's a murder mystery, first of all, and it's a genre that I have never been part of even in my 26 years of career.
Right.
But yes, I'm playing an SCP Avinash Verma, who has his own family issue. He has a backstory of that sort where he's staying away from the family, and also he's given this this murder mystery to be to solve and to investigate. And with that murder, Arjun's character is someone who is connected with it. This is Arjun's family that I get an entry into, and I get to investigate all of them. So yeah, I mean, if you look at it on outside, it's a murder mystery, but there are too many relationships, too many conflicts, too many other nuances and layers going on, which makes it far more interesting.
Right. Before we move on to Arjun, I really want to. I'm told we will see the poster once again on your screen. So let's see the poster once, and then let's come back and talk to Arjun. We are going to have the poster on your screens where you will see ACP Avinash Verma. Yes, that is the look. Absolutely terrific. Can't be more ACP than this. Thank you for showing us. Arjun, tell us about your character. We just heard from Mr. Manoj Rajpal about what to expect from this. You tell us about your character.
So I play this man called Ravi Khanna,
okay,
who is a young, suave MLA kind of guy, a young politician, happily married, seemingly. And and he just kind of this tragedy happens in his life and family. He's connected to there are two incidents that take place, and he happens to be connected to them both. He kind of by default kind of becomes integral to the investigation.
Right.
Yeah. And
right. Right. Okay, I think, do we have Manoj? Manoj ji,
no, I'm there.
Okay.
Just kind of trying to.
No problem, sir. You can just hear my question till then. You were saying, Manoj ji, that you've not done something like this before. After such immense body of work, after such amazing work that we all are fans of, Still there are roles and there are characters that are a first time for you. How does that work? Okay, I think we'll have him again. Arjun, so there's Prachi also in it. Prachi was supposed to be here. I think so she's trying to connect. So could you give us an idea about her character as well?
Well, Prachi is she's playing an officer. She's on Manoj Bajpayee's investigation team, and she's the only woman on the team. A very, very adept officer.
Right.
And so he has this team of men with him. Sahil Vaid is also there.
Yes,
Waqar is part of the team, and it's a great gang of cops that are like hot on the tail of all of us, you know.
Right.
So it's hard, right? With this genre of film, it's hard to talk about things without giving away.
Without giving away. So we'll not talk about we'll not talk more about the plot, but if you can just tell us, this something on an OTT platform like ZEE5 reaches 190 countries. This is an exciting time for actors like yourself. Do you get feedback from different countries when something like that drops?
I do, absolutely. I mean, like, absolutely, from corners that you wouldn't imagine, you know. Albania mein koi baitha dekh raha hai, and like your work is just reaching so many corners you would not even imagine, and it's really heartening, you know. It kind of encourages us to just keep making these choices and keep doing more and more work on the platforms, you know.
Right. Manoj, I was asking you, after such immense body of work, which we all are fans of so many films that you have done, still you're saying, we have not done something like this before. Still there's space and room for more and more things that you have not done?
Oh my God! I mean, look at what OTT platform has to offer now.
Yeah.
I mean, every day you get to see some of the films and some of the stories being, showcased with such, emerging actors giving, landmark performances, and
right.
you suddenly feel that you need to wear new shoes now all over again.
Right.
So, I mean, this is all happening, thank God, when, people of actors of my generation are still working.
Yes.
So thank God that, it's happening in our lifetime. And thank God that we are getting to, play these kind of roles and, varied genre,
yes.
which is such a blessing.
Yeah. And this all has released in a year when we were home and we have watched so much content. So I, on behalf of everyone, want to thank actors like yourself and all the makers and, everyone who's on a set, ZEE5 and teams for making this content. I wish both of you great luck. So this drops on ZEE5 on 26 March. Watch it. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Rohit. Yeah, thanks a lot. Great talking to you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Manoj sir. See you soon.
Bye, Arjun. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
So you saw Arjun in a car, Manojji talking about his character and the concept of it. Now we have, I'm told, we have Parmeet Sethi, who's already here. Let's have him. You already saw the trailer, and now we'll talk to the actors. Hi, Parmeet ji. Good to see you. Parmeet ji, you're on mute. Yes.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Big fan. Good to see you. Great to see you always. We saw the trailer a couple of times before you came. बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक spark है आप लोगों के बीच में. आप बताइए लोगों को एक concept जो मराठी में और काफी languages में successful हो चुका है. Is it a challenge again to reach a new market?
Yes, definitely. In fact, with this Punjabi series, actually, I was trying to do something that I've not done before. एक actor के लिए I think बहुत जरूरी होता है कि you look for something different, something new, test your boundaries, go and do something different. So this is my attempt to do it in a different language, a language that I don't speak really too much. तो मेरे लिए एक challenge है. And the storyline is very, very good, and I believe ये बहुत बड़ा hit हो चुका है in 7 languages. So I'm hoping that it's going to do the same in Punjabi.
Great. So we saw the trailer before you came, sir. So it gives us an idea. There's a powerful businessman who's in his late 40s, falls in love with 20-year-old simple girl. अब ये तो लोग देख चुके हैं, so there's no secret in this much. और नहीं बताएंगे लोगों को. But you tell us about this character you play. If you can throw some light on what to expect.
So, I mean, as the promo suggests, that I'm a business tycoon. I've got businesses all over the world in 14, 15 countries, and but my heart lies in Punjab. So that is something which I think resonates with all Punjabis, especially people who have gone off to Canada and to Australia and migrated. And it's something that has I think almost every second family in Punjab is touched by this with this thing that of migration. A lot of people migrate from Punjab. So this character is a real Punjabi at heart, has traveled the world, is a rich tycoon, and is a widower. And he, just happens to fall in love with this girl slowly, and not that he just looks at her and falls in love, but he falls in love with her by the quality of her persona, of her character really attracts him, and slowly you see this man falling in love with her, and then the whole story unfolds, and the problems that or the issues that come along with the fact that the age difference is there, and so it touches all those points, those problems that can crop up in such kind of relationship. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting, I think.
Right, very brave, bold character. Sir, you've done so much work which we all have enjoyed over the years. Such different, diverse characters. So many fans watching this live also. But we have reached a time where something like that reaches 190 countries. एक OTT platform ZEE5 पे drop होता है, reaches so many places where you have fans. Are these exciting times even after for a seasoned actor like you?
Oh, it's like a new. I've got a blood transfusion. The industry has got a blood transfusion. The actors, I see that so many actors are getting opportunities that they would never have got. Maybe 3 years back, they would never have even thought that they would be doing such roles, such varied roles, such characters, and now it's all about how good as an actor you are, and if you're good, it's become pretty democratic. It's you don't need to be a star. You will be made into a star. So it's something that the OTT platform does for you. So I think it's a huge opportunity for stars, for actors, for the content, for the writers especially. They can actually write something which is not dictated completely by the market. So to speak. Actually do something creative for once. Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, Kritika, can you hear me? Sir, you can hear me. Kritika had just joined. We will have her back. Sir, जो आप बता रहे थे कि एक blood transfusion मिल गया, एक refresh मिल गया है. आप भी content देखते हैं अलग-अलग जगहों से? So do you also get to see?
Sorry?
So do you also watch content from different places, different countries?
Oh yes, I mean I've seen a lot of shows in Spanish, in French, in German, and some of them are really good. So that is something. It has become pretty universal now. It's become like the language of cinema is pretty much transcending all languages, all cultures, and it's something which is so refreshing to see. That you can actually. A person living in America knows now a person, a Delhi crime. Okay, how does Delhi actually look, and how does it feel? And vice versa. We know so much more about the Spanish culture or the Mexican culture or the Italian culture because of the OTT platform. So it's, and not only, I mean, see, we are still traveled. People who are sitting in the villages now know. So it's that powerful. It opens up your mind completely. I think it's fantastic.
Right, Kritika, can you hear me now? I think we are on unmute. Finally, we can hear you and you can hear us. Exciting trailer. You're looking very good in it. What to expect?
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure that I'm doing a show with Parmeet ji. The first thing I want to say, and the second thing is like it's for us Z. So it's a huge thing for me that I'm doing this show. I'm very excited. I'm very, very, very excited, and I feel lucky that I'm doing this show.
Right. What we've all watched Parmeet's work and we've loved it. What is he like on a set? If you can give the audience an idea.
Well, sorry, this question is for me or for her?
No, for her. She will tell us what is it like to work with you.
It's amazing, actually. Like, मतलब बोल सकते हैं that like I've seen him when I was a kid, like in DDLJ. मतलब for me it was like, wow, I'm working with Parmeet ji. And honestly, I'm getting rewards like मेरे जो friends हैं, मेरी family है, everybody, they're like, you're doing work with Parmeet ji, like कैसा लग रहा है? But he's very humble. He's like from the first day, like he's like कि आपको कुछ help चाहिए होगी, and he's very genuine person or very calm and very nice. Like I'm loving it.
Right, Parmeet ji, is it equally exciting for you to work with you and young actors?
So I'm not used to so much of praise. So sorry, your question. Sorry, what is the question?
Yeah, so is it as exciting for you also to work with younger actors, fresh talent?
When a young actor comes, they come with their own personality, with their own conviction, and today's actors are definitely smarter, and they already know what to do, and so it's always it keeps you on your toes. It keeps you keeps you sharp. Okay, fine, new actor. I need to match up to somebody who's now coming into his own or her own. So and Kritika is a fabulous actress. She's a natural, and you'll be seeing it soon that she's the heart of the show. She's fantastic.
Right. Kritika, एक reason था कि परमीत जी इसमें है. दूसरा क्या reason था ये show करने का?
दूसरा, I like the story. It's like it's very different that you are falling in love with old person. So love doesn't consider age factor. So it's a feeling. So you feel for somebody. So that was really challenging for me. And मुझे लगता है जो प्यार होता है ना, वो एक feeling होती है जो दूसरों की feelings को understand कर सके. For me, it was like this.
Great. We love the trailer. We loved. Parmeet ji, before we wrap this, do you want to tell people what to expect? आके देखें ZEE5 पर.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि Z के साथ तो मेरा जन्म हुआ था as an actor. So I have actually started my career with Z. I've done some great shows. Kurukshetra, Dastan. I've done a small telefilm also. I've done a lot. Archana also, my wife also has done Kya Scene Hai. So we belong to the Z family. Z has always made fantastic content and which resonates pan-India, unlike many other channels. So ये जो show है, it is a bolder attempt, to actually to make a story which normally you would not. This is not something that you would see on television. Older man, younger girl falling in love. It's a taboo topic. But Z has taken that step forward and it's already done so well. So you can expect a super duper hit, I think, in Punjabi. And I'm so happy to be a part of it.
Great. Thank you, both of you. Can't wait to watch it. And best of luck. Thank you so much for taking out time.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much.
So from Punjabi, we move on to some Marathi content, and let me tell you what all to expect in the next 10 minutes with very talented teams, Pailana Mitula and Agabai Sunbai. Let's see what we have content-wise, a teaser, trailer, poster, and then let's get the cast.
Hello, can you hear me? तुम्ही दिसताय ना त्यांना?
Great. So we have the actors here. Pailana Mithila releases on March 1st. Agabai Soonbai releases on 15 March. Nivedita, Akshay, Uma, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I'm told Giriji is also here, but right now I can't see him on the screen. Is he here?
Can you see me? Hi.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I can see you very clearly, looking lovely, and hear you also very clearly. Giriji, welcome.
Hi.
Hello, hi. Can you hear me? So everybody can, yeah, we all can hear each other. There's some noise. It's a celebration of this calendar that we are announcing on ZEE5. So if we start with Girish ji first, sir, आप बताइए, audience देख रहा है live YouTube, Facebook सब जगह पर, what to expect, क्या expect करें आपके
जैसे मेरा लुक बता रहा है कि लुक बहुत चेंज हो चुका है, कुछ ऐसी वाली मुस्टैच लेके मैं आ रहा हूँ नए शो में, और कैरेक्टर भी काफी सारा चेंज हो चुका है कि मैं अभी शेफ जो रहता था पहले अगुबाई सासूमाई में, तो अभी मैं शेफ रेस्टोरेंट में या होटल्स में नहीं रहूंगा, अब घर में शेफ बनूंगा और घर की सारी जरूरतें पूरी करूंगा। इस टाइप का कुछ कैरेक्टर में चेंज आ गया है, तो इंटरेस्टिंग है मेरे लिए भी कि घर की सारी बातें मैं देखूंगा और आसावरी को अच्छी बातें खिलाऊंगा, सब घर के लोगों को अच्छी रेसिपीज बना के खिलाऊंगा और घर की सारी जिम्मेदारी संभालूंगा।
निवेदिता जी, आप बताइए अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें हम?
Yeah, actually, my character is totally 360 degree changed. आसावरी जी लोकांना सुरुवातीला कशी अशी लाजरी बुजरी, जास्त शेअर नाही करू शकत अशी, तिला म्हणजे अशी भोळी सिंपल अशी वाटत होती, ती आता 360 डिग्री चेंज झालेली आहे. आता शी हॅज बिकम अ बिझनेस वुमन अँड शी इज हँडलिंग ऑल द बिझनेस. आणि कदाचित आयुष्यात मध्ये आलेल्या एक्सपिरियन्समुळे कुठेतरी थोडीशी ती आता तिने स्वतःला थोडंसं कणखर केलंय, थोडीशी कठोर झालेली आहे तिच्या मुलाच्या बाबतीत. पण तिच्या सुनेच्या बाबतीत अजून ती तशीच हळवी आहे. अभिजित बरोबरचं तिचं इक्वेशन अजूनही तसंच आहे, तिचं अजूनही नवऱ्यावरती तेवढंच तसंच प्रेम आहे, बाबांबद्दलचा आदर आहे अजून तसाच आहे. सो असे काही सिमिलॅरिटीज आणि काही चेंजेस आसावरीमध्ये आहेत. सो मी खूप एक्साइटेड आहे या सगळ्याबद्दल. माझा लुक खूप बदललेला आहे अँड त्याचबरोबर एक मला ऍक्टिंग मध्येही मी एक जरा वेगळ्या रीतीने ही भूमिका करण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. म्हणजे आय फील व्हेरी लकी की ह्याच सिरियल मध्ये बेसिकली वेन वी स्टार्टेड अगबाई सासूबाई, यु नो, मी अँड गिरीश ऍट दिस एज वी गॉट टू डू मेन लीड्स बिकॉज दॅट इज अ ऍक्टर्स ट्रॅजेडी की या वयामध्ये वेन यू कॅन डू समथिंग तेव्हा तुम्हाला फक्त साईड सपोर्टिंग रोल्स करायला मिळतात अँड वी गॉट टू डू द मेन रोल. आमच्यावरती बेतलेली गोष्ट होती. तर सेम वे आय एम एक्साइटेड की इन द सेम सिरियल आय एम गेटिंग टू डू अ टोटली डिफरंट अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स द सेम कॅरेक्टर अँड दॅट आय फाइंड एक्साइटिंग अबाउट अगबाई सुनबाई.
Can you hear me? उमा, आप ज्वाइन करते हो ये स्टारकास्ट, तो कैसा था इनके साथ काम करना? बिकॉज हमने इनका काम कितने समय तक देखा है और एंजॉय किया है.
As you said, this is my biggest honor कि इतने सीनियर लोग हैं मेरे साथ, like निवेदिता मैम, गिरीश ओक सर, और उनके साथ ये प्रोजेक्ट करना इज माय बिगेस्ट प्लेजर एंड ऑनर. और मेरे कैरेक्टर के बारे में अगर मैं बताऊं तो द रूट्स ऑफ दिस सीरियल्स आर इन अगबाई सासूबाई, नो डाउट इन दैट, but this is a very different story. This is a very not like अगबाई सासूबाई. तो अभी ये जो पीरियड है वो आगे का है थोड़ा सा. तो जो हमारी शुभ्रा है, she has become a mother now, she has a child now, and she is totally engulfed and involved in all the domestic activities, I think, like every mother in our society. तो अभी जो मेरी मदर इन लॉ है वो उसको पूरा बाहर निकाल के फिर से इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे करेगी, फिर से टू बी हरसेल्फ कैसा उसको सिखाएगी, इसके बारे में पूरी अगवाई सुनवाई स्टोरी है और ये मेरा कैरेक्टर है। एंड एज आई सेड कि ये सब बहुत सीनियर लोगों के साथ मुझे स्क्रीन शेयर करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है। दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ऑनर फॉर मी राइट नाउ, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
ग्रेट। अक्षय कुलकर्णी है, वो दिखेंगे पायला नामी तुला में। अक्षय आप म्यूट पे है, इफ यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड टेल अस आपके कैरेक्टर। आप जी अक्षय आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
Yeah, first thing I want to clear, my name is Ashay.
Ashay, sorry Ashay, yes.
Yeah.
My apologies.
No problem. Yeah.
I'm trying to read your, आपके विंडो के नीचे छोटा सा कुछ लिखा है, मैं वो ट्राई कर रहा था रीड करने को। जी आप बता रहे थे अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में।
Hi Rohit, thank you for having me over here. Thank you so much. Pahila Nami Tula is my second Delhi soap on Zee Marathi right now. So I've worked in Maza Hoshilna. Maza Hoshilna में मैंने काम किया है इसके पहले. I was doing a negative role in that. So I'm really excited about this new show that I'll be portraying a positive character in this new show. So my character's name is Aniket, and Aniket is a boy next door, belong to middle class family, and he's very ambitious. He has done his MBA in finance and he's looking forward to work in a finance company. तो बड़ा सहमा हुआ सीधा साधा लड़का है ये। So ये मेरा जो negative role है इसके exactly opposite I'm going to play now. So it's a big task. I feel it's a challenge, and I'm really thankful to Zee also that they gave me this opportunity to work in a back-to-back show. कि एक negative image उसको पूरा मतलब change करके I'm going to play a positive character. So I'm really excited.
Right, that's the best part about ZEE5. ऐसे मैं हम अभी कुछ समय पहले एक पंजाबी शो की बात कर रहे थे, अब मराठी कंटेंट की बात कर रहे हैं। Clearly, using this diverse country and the languages, आप मेरे स्क्रीन पे ये amazing talent दिख रहा है, experience, fresh, आशय आप भी है। There's a Marathi audience watching. I wish I could interact a lot more, but I would like you all to interact. आशय, अगर आप पूछना चाहेंगे ये तीन जो स्क्रीन पर है उन्हें कुछ क्वेश्चन, तो आप क्या पूछेंगे?
मला निवेदिता मॅम साठी एक प्रश्न आहे की मॅम, कैन यू हियर मी?
Oh yes, बोल I can hear you.
Hello, myself. मी अक्षय कुलकर्णी, नमस्कार. आपण पहिल्यांदाच बोलतोय खरं तर. पण मला तुमचं काम खूप आवडतं. मी लहानपणापासून तुमच्या सगळ्या फिल्म्स मी पाहिल्याच आहेत आणि खरंच मला खूप छान वाटतं तुमच्याशी बोलताना. तुमच्या म्हणजे मी आता थोडी सिरियल फॉलो केली तुमची आधी, की तुम्ही बबड्याची आई आणि शिवाय अभिजित राजे. तर मला ह्या नवीन सिरियल मध्ये तुमच्या दोघांचं रिलेशन काय असणार आहे हा मला पण प्रश्न पडलाय की हाऊ इट इज गोइंग टू बी.
ऍक्च्युअली असं रिलेशन त्यांचं शेवटी ते दोघं एकमेकांवरती अत्यंतिक प्रेमच करतात, पण कुठेतरी असं आता एक शिफ्ट झालाय ना, हा त्यांनी चूज केलेला दोन गोष्टी आहेत. म्हणजे त्याला आता असं वाटतंय की मला आता घरात राहायचंय, मला माझ्या फॅमिलीला वेळ द्यायचा, आणि तिला असं वाटतंय की आता आपल्यावरती डिपेंडंट असणाऱ्या बाकीच्या सगळ्या फॅमिलीज आहेत त्यांना पण आपल्याला सांभाळायला पाहिजे. तर कुठेतरी रोल शिफ्ट झाले, त्यांचं प्रेम नाही शिफ्ट झालंय, रोल्सच शिफ्ट झाले. प्रेम ते तसंच असणार आहे. कदाचित आसावरीला वेळ नाही म्हणून काहीतरी एखादी फ्रिक्शन त्याच्यातनं निर्माण झाली दोघांमध्ये तो होईल, पण बेसिकली त्या दोघांमधलं, कारण ते इतकं स्ट्रॉंग बॉन्डिंग आहे ना, तर ते लोणच्यासारखं मुरलंय, तर ते प्रेम त्यांच्यातलं डेफिनेटली जराही कमी नाही होणार आहे. कारण आसावरी आज जी काही आहे ती फक्त अभिजितमुळे, ह्याचं अवेअरनेस आसावरीला कायम असेल की आज ती एवढी मोठी बिझनेस वुमन बनली, काय बनली, तो कॉन्फिडन्स तिला फक्त अभिजितने दिलाय. म्हणजे ती त्या रोलची ब्युटी आहे.
राइट गिरीश जी, अगर आप आशय से एक सवाल करें तो क्या सवाल होगा?
आशय, मी तुला फार कमी पाहिलंय. तुझं माझा होशील ना मधलं कॅरेक्टर मी काही वेळेला थोडे काही एपिसोड पाहू शकत होतो, कारण आपल्याला तुला माहितीये की आपल्याला फारसं बघता येत नाही. पण मला खूप हेवा वाटतोय तुझा की एका विलन टू हिरो तुझं काय एकदम जम्प करतोयस, पण जम्प आणि लगेच दुसऱ्या सिरियल मध्ये करतोयस. तर कसं वाटतंय? म्हणजे भीती तर वाटत असेलच, पण काय काय तयारी करतोस?
मी खरं तर सांगू का, तयारी खरं तर खूप शून्यापासून करावी लागते, कारण ती इमेज पुसणं खूप अवघड आहे. कारण आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच माहिती की डेली सूपमुळे आपल्याला एक नक्कीच एक स्टॅम्प होतोच, काही नाही तरी, कारण रोज पाहिलं ते कॅरेक्टर आणि रोज आपल्याकडनं लोकांना की अरे हे, कारण आता मी जेव्हा माझे पॉझिटिव्ह ट्रेलर्स येत आहेत मेनली, तर तेव्हा अजूनही लोकांच्या रेषात की अरे तू डॉग सोडायला नाही पाहिजे यार, आम्हाला डॉग पाहिजे यार, आम्हाला डॉग पाहिजे. तर ती एक भीती आहे की लोक ते कितपत पॉझिटिव्हली ऍक्सेप्ट करतील. अर्थात प्रयत्न हाच असणार आहे की आपण तेवढं चांगलं काम करावं किंवा आपल्याकडनं होईल आणि ते लोकांकडनं ऍक्सेप्ट पण होईल. सो मला वाटतंय की निलेश सरांनी किंवा महेश सरांनी या सगळ्यांनी हा जो विश्वास ठेवलाय की नाही आय कॅन पुल ऑफ हे पॉझिटिव्ह कॅरेक्टर, तर मी एक्सायटेड आहे आणि मी जोरदार तयारी केली आहे. आणि आता मला वाटतं 1 मार्च हे आमच्या तयारीचं एक, मला वाटतं त्या परीक्षेचा पेपरचा रिझल्ट येईल तो आय होप सगळ्यांना आवडेल.
उमा, आप गिरीश जी से अगर एक सवाल करेंगे तो वो क्या होगा? दिस इज योर मोमेंट टू आस्क गिरीश जी.
गिरीश जी तो मेरे ससुर जी के बहुत ही अच्छे फ्रेंड हैं, तो
ससुर जी है.
से अलग इस सवाल कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन इस मतलब ये अभी जो मेरी सीरियल आ रही है उस सीरियल में मेरा और उनका बहुत ही अलग बॉन्डिंग है. तो सवाल ऐसा नहीं, लेकिन मुझे उनसे यही बात कहनी है कि हमारा जो बॉन्डिंग ऑन स्क्रीन रहेगा वैसा ही ऑफ स्क्रीन रहेगा, और ये मेरी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश रहेगी.
अरे वा, थँक्यू सो मच. मी असं ऐकून आहे की सुनेचं आणि सासऱ्याचं खूप बॉन्डिंग आहे आणि सुनेला सासरा खूप गोष्टी सांगतो, त्या सगळ्या गोष्टींमधून बाहेर काढतो आणि ते मला खूप इंटरेस्टिंग वाटतंय सगळं. कारण माझी जराशी भूमिका सगळी बदलणार आहे. आता हाऊस हजबंड म्हणजे घरी मी राहून सगळं करणार आहे. सो एक वेगळा मेसेज आपण देतो आहोत. त्या सगळ्या घरच्या कामांकडे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन आपण बदलायला लावणार आहोत. सगळे नवरे माझ्यावर चिडणार आहेत कारण मी अजून आता घरची कामं करायला लागणार आहे, बायकोचं ऐकायला लागणार आहे. त्यामुळे मला शिव्या खायच्या आहेत. म्हणजे आशयनी विलन असताना शिव्या खाल्ल्या असतील, आता मी हिरो असून तुझ्या शिव्या खाणार आहे. पण डेफिनेटली ते इंटरेस्टिंग असणार आहे, गोड असणार आहे सगळं खूप, आणि मजा येणार आहे सगळं.
बरोबर आहे. नाही, आणि त्या टिप्स आहेतच ऑन स्क्रीन, पण ऑफ स्क्रीन पण अभिनयाच्या बाबतीत किंवा कामाच्या बाबतीत या सगळ्या टिप्स तुमच्याकडून मला हव्या आहेत आणि आय एम लुकिंग तुमच्या दोघांकडून हव्या आहेत. त्यामुळे
तुमच्याकडनं आम्हाला काही शिकायला मिळालं तर मिळेल खरं तर.
राइट, निवेदिता जी, आपको मैं ऑप्शन दूंगा, आप तीनों में से किससे भी कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे तो पूछ सकते हैं.
नहीं म्हणजे आई जस्ट वांट टू सवाल पूछने से भी आई वुड लाइक टू अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट आशय दैट खरोखरच इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट ही हैज गॉट. एंड अच्छा लगा ये सुनकर कि उसे बहुत मेहनत करनी है and he wants to portray himself in a different light. So ये this new generation is also very hardworking. वो अच्छा लगता है. अभी उमा के बारे में बताऊं तो she is her सास, I know her very well, and उसकी क्या बोलूं मैं, दादी सास मतलब या उनको मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानती थी. So she is going to be a very another addition to the project. And to tell everybody, Uma is a very good classical singer and a Kathak Visharad. So वो already ये 2 चीजों में talented है, तो अभिनय तो उसमें होगा ही, जिसमें नृत्य भी है और उसमें मतलब उसको सुर भी है और ताल भी है. तो क्या शब्दों में बस उसको बांटना है सुर ताल को. सो आई डोंट थिंक उमा यू शुड गेट वरीड. आणि आशय तुला तो खूपच ऑल द बेस्ट. आणि विथ गिरीश तो आय हॅव सच अ अमेझिंग इक्वेशन दैट वी हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर लास्ट 2 years and we worked with each other for the first time and we have an amazing equation and it's a pleasure Girish to work with you. बऱ्याचदा आपण एकमेकांना तसं सांगत नाही, पण इट्स अ प्लेजर टू वर्क विथ यू. खूप नेहमी तू पण मला सांभाळून घेत असतोस, तर ती मजा अशीच आता आपले रोल बदलले असताना सुद्धा मला वाटतं येईल आपल्याला एकमेकांबरोबर काम करताना.
सेम हियर.
And I feel that Zee Marathi is coming with such amazing shows. हे असं मला वाटतं पहिल्यांदाच होत असेल. सेकंड सीझन मध्ये नाव बदलून ऑलमोस्ट फ्रेश कॉन्सेप्ट सकट लीप नंतर एक करतोय. तर हा जसा अगबाई सासूबाई बरोबर पण एक्सपेरिमेंट केला होता की एक आई, एक वुमन हु इज मदर अँड हु इज 50+, शी दॅट काइंड ऑफ अ वुमन अँड 55+ काइंड ऑफ अ हिरो. and that serial really broke so many records, and people really appreciated that about, you know, you get a second chance in life and you should take it in your life, because you have to love yourself, the first thing of every human being. So ये जो message दिया था वो इतना खूबसूरत दिया था इस serial ने. So it was a very like doing Agabai Sasubai kind of a serial at 8:30 in a regional channel was a big, it took a lot of guts which Z took, and it was a great brainwave of Mr. Nilesh Mayekar. So I admire him immensely, क्योंकि हमारी पीछे की टीम भी बहुत काम करती है. हमारे नीलेश मयेकर जी है, सोजल है, रेणुका है, अभी जो हमारे डायरेक्टर है मिस्टर जयंत पवार. तो ये लोग भी हमारे जो राइटर्स है, they all are also working very hard along with this for this new show. So same way they're doing this next experiment about doing Agabai Sudbai. लीप के बाद जो एक सेम कैरेक्टर्स को एक अलग ढंग से, अलग तरीके से वो पेश कर रहे हैं लोगों के सामने. तो पहला एक्सपेरिमेंट वर्कआउट हुआ, सो मुझे लग रहा है कि ये सेकंड एक्सपेरिमेंट भी, लेट्स सी it will work out. मतलब इतनी सारी when everything is done with very genuine intent na, from the whole team, those projects do work. The intent of everyone is so genuine and मेहनत करने की इतनी तैयारी सब में है. तो I think this second thing also people will like.
Right, great. Thank you so much. And it's great that it's on a platform, because we know the entire Maharashtrian community is so well traveled. They live in different parts of the world. This comes on a platform वो अपने घर बैठे दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में देख सकते हैं. So that's so good that अपना कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप अपने पेरेंट्स को भी शुरू करके दिया और वो देख सकते हैं. So निवेदिता जी, गिरीश जी, उमा, आशय, thank you so much. Thank you very much for taking out time for chatting with us, and the audience is sending a lot of comments and love, so sending that all to all four of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us. Thank you so much, and all the best to us again.
हो तुम्हाला पण. Bye.
Best of luck.
Bye.
Wait, so we were talking about how this content in Marathi is going to reach so many countries, 190 countries. The best part is that, in the month of March, Z is getting 4 shows and also 1 awards event, that's Z Marathi Awards. And the theme, or there's a theme of the month. The theme of the month is called Utsav Natyacha Navya Kathacha. That means it's about Kathacha. That means about the story. You heard from the 4 absolutely talented actors. I'm told we have run out of time completely, but I'm so glad that you heard from a very diverse actors. That's, we heard from Hindi actors, we heard from Punjabi actors, and we heard from Marathi actors. So that's all coming in March, as Manish said, on Z5. So whichever country you are in, as Monica said, subscribe and get your Z5 membership and start watching this amazing content. Thank you so much for joining us today. Goodbye.